If he was doing the job, I wouldn't even be doing this. I'd get some place with
Look, they're all pointing.
Maybe the Pacific.
Yeah, someone's on top of the roof. Look. There he is right there. Right there, you see him?
There's something going on in this
laying
building.
down, see him?
Yeah, he's laying down.
What's happening?
Oh my god. There's somebody in this building.
Yeah, look. There he is.
Because we have millions and millions of people in our country that shouldn't be here. Dangerous people. Criminals. We have criminals. We have drug dealers. We have people that should not be here.
Right on the roof.
It's much tougher than it happens.
You went right on the roof, big guy.
Up here.
In recorded history with the best order. In fact, if they could ever put up a chart, I don't know if they could do it. You guys have access to that chart. You don't mind if I go off teleprompter, do you? This is not going to be just a little more trying to explain. You guys are doing it. They're getting better with time. My guys, take a look at that chart. Take a look at the arrow at the bottom. See the big red arrow, right? So that's what I left off. That was the lowest point, and that comes right from the government services. Comes right out of Border Patrol. Take a look at it. So that arrow is the lowest amount of illegal immigration ever in recorded history in our country. And then the word
Make yourself small, bro. I don't know what's going on.
Get down, guys, get down. Yeah, just get down. Get behind this tree with me. Get behind this tree.
This close, bro. Get behind this tree, guys. No.
I'm just safe back here. Here.
Did they take them off?
Fuck yeah, I saw a big poop of hair go up in the air.
Oh, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah.
Big poop of hair.
Holy shit, guys.
What happened?
Who's got eyes on him?
Are you fucking shitting me?
This is fucking crazy, dude. I can't believe I got all that on camera, dude. I was in the middle of it.
Seriously, he was right where you picked
Kill confirmed, he said.
He was on that left side.
Kill confirmed?
He said kill confirmed.
ASAP, ready for the start. In the stairs, the first stairs. I need an ambulance to the back of the building.
Get them out of here! Get them out! Yo, Blasco! Yo, you about to hop up. He's laying down. He's on our next building over.
He was on the roof.
Right after the gap. He's got glasses, long hair.
I need a ladder, so get a hole.
Yo, Mike. I climbed the wall and I popped my head right in front of him, bro. He's got a book bag. He's got mad. AR laying down.
He's got full kit.
Yeah, he's laying down, prone out, book bag next to him.
Give me a hard line. Most sections over here. Most sections over here. That's all I got Collins up there.
But watch out, because he can come right down on you over there.
Oh, look, this is going to drop. Hold.
One seriously injured, I just heard on the cops' radio.
Bruh.
Follow the ambulance to the stands.
Keep eyes up. Eyes up.
This building, he was on top of this building, the left one. I jumped up.
Over by the yellow crane. This is a very serious.
That side, the first one. That one, laying down. There's a gap in between you and there.
Here, Kyle. Need law enforcement? Joy? Sorry. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, for sure, I got you, bro.
Yeah.
We have a unit on the roof.
Affirmative. Yo, Chesky, got me up once, bro. Yo, Chesky, got me up once. Get me up again.
One more.
Ready? Ready? Yep.
All right, ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Yep.